In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with Green Dot Online in our 2025 guide. Whether you're dealing with a transaction issue, need help with account settings, or simply have questions that you prefer to discuss over the phone, we're here to walk you through the steps. Let's dive in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you want to start by going to the Green Dot website. Once you're there, if you already have an account, your next step is to log in. This is important because certain support features like chat or secure messaging are only available once you're logged in. If you're accessing the website through the app or browser, look for a sign in button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you have access to various support features. One of the most convenient ways to connect with customer support is through the chat feature. Head over to the help section of the website and you'll find an option to chat with a specialist. Remember, you do need to be logged in to use this chat feature effectively. During your chat, articulate clearly that you would like someone to call you at a specific time that suits your schedule. This is a great way to schedule a call without directly dialing in yourself. If chatting isn't your preferred option, you can return to the help section and click on Contact Us. This leads you to a page where you can find Green Dot's contact number and mailing address, providing you with traditional means of reaching out for support. For those who prefer direct communication, another option is to use the customer support phone line. Dial 866-795-7597 for U.S. General Customer Support. When you connect with a representative, explain that you'd like to schedule a call for a specific time. Often, they can arrange a callback for you, making it convenient to manage your support sessions amidst your busy schedule. Now, before you make that all-important appointment, here's a quick tip. Prepare in advance. Take note of the issue or questions you need assistance with so you can be directed to the right team. Additionally, having your account information ready, such as the last 4 digits of your card and any required security info, will speed up the verification process and ensure your session runs smoothly. There you have it. By following these steps, you can easily schedule an appointment with Green Dot Online, ensuring your questions and issues are addressed promptly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification. Until next time.